Training JS 19 method of string object to uppercase to lowercase and replace. So let's look at to lowercase to uppercase and replace. So to uppercase is going to turn your string into uppercase. To lowercase is going to turn your string into lowercase, and replace is going to string value returns a new string with one or all matches of the pattern replaced by a string. So let's just say you want to change this word to this word. So replace is going to look for this word, and then if I run it, you can see that it has changed roots to my. And if it is a string, then it is going to only replace the first occurrence will be replaced. Keep this in mind. If the pattern is a string, only the first occurrence will be replaced. If you look here, you can see that we have a regex dog, and it is case insensitive, but it has only changed the first occurrence of the dog. See here, the dog has been changed to ferret, but there is another dog and it remains as dog. So this is what the difference between replace, and this is why we should be very careful when using replace, because it's going to change the first instance. Now let's look at the problem. Coding in function, alien language, function one parameter accepts string. String is a sentence. We translate the sentence into an alien language according to the following rule. Each word in the sentence is separated by spaces. So words will be separated by spaces. The last letter of each word in the sentence turns to lowercase and the other letters are capitalized. So last letter of each word is going to be in the lowercase and the other will be capitalized. So first thing, we are going to change, we are going to split the words. So if I const words and string split, I'm going to split it by a white space, and if I console log the words, let's see what I get. So I'm getting all the words in uh, in an array. Now I'm going to take an empty array and it's going to be called result array. And now I'm going to loop through each of the letters of the word. Now let I equal to 0, I the loop is going to be as long as I have words dot length, then it is going to increase after each iteration. Now let's check the words. What word I'm getting? So words I console dot log word. Let's see what am I getting the word or not? Console. So I'm getting the word. Now let's look. I want to only lowercase the last index, last letter, right? So let's find the last index. So let last index is going to be word dot length minus 1. By doing this, I'm going to get the last index of it. So if I now console log word and then put last index, let's see what I get. I'm getting the last letter. So the rest of the word, rest, let's just say except last, is going to be word dot slice. I'm going to start from the beginning and I'm going to end before the last. So the last index. If I console log it, let's see what I get. Console log except last. So I'm getting all the letters except the last one. Now I have to capitalize it, right? So if I write to uppercase, let's see what I get. So all the letters except the last one, the last letter has been capitalized. So now all I have to do is lowercase the last letter, right? So last letter is going to be word last index, and then I'm going to turn it to lowercase. Now if I just result word is going to be except last, and last letter. Let's see console.log result word. Now I'm getting my result words, but I have to push them into this array. So I'm going to push it. Result array dot push result word. Let's see console.log result array. Now I'm getting it in an array, but I have to return it in a string, right? So to change an array to a string, I'm going to use join, and I'm going to join them with a white space. Let's see what I get. Great. Now if I return it and attempt it, now all the test cases have been passed.